23rd Africa, MEDEXPO, Africa's Prime, International Medical and Healthcare Expo, 21-23, June, 2023, Sarit Expo Center, Nairobi, Kenya. Represented by Herbal Medicine Manufacturer Company of Pakistan. Brick Laboratories, Anani, Private, Limited. Please, don't forget to visit our stall, 102A. Thanks. About MEDEXPO Kenya 2023. Strong exhibitor lineup from over 25 countries and a comprehensive medical product, equipment and machinery showcase at Kenya's biggest international medical trade exhibition. The increasing demand for medical manufacturing products, equipment, machinery, services and solutions has prompted a surge of representation at Africa's premier medical exhibition, MEDEXPO Africa, Kenya 2023. According to medical professionals in the region, it will be the most important and relevant trade exhibition for industry professionals in the medical field to source for products, meet new business contacts, build partnerships, and keep abreast of industry trends and developments. Kenya is currently the largest producer of pharmaceutical products in the common market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA, region, supplying about 50% of the region's market. Out of the region's estimated 50 recognized pharmaceutical manufacturers, approximately 30 are based in Kenya. Every year, MEDEXPO attracts a huge number of radical medical equipment manufacturing and distribution companies to showcase their medical technologies, products and services. Both exhibitors and visitors receive personalized attention in the show, hence making the MEDEXPO Africa eminent.
Always natural in origin. Brick Laboratories Anani, Private, Limited.